So over here in our front driveway area, we have a ton of pine cones, got a ton of pine trees, obviously, and they drop pine cones, and I've been wanting to pick them up, but once I pick them up, I don't really know what to do with them. I could burn them in a fire pit, but our backyard where the fire pit would likely go is filled with this nice zoysia grass that's underneath all these leaves that I haven't picked up yet. But the last thing I want to do is dig up a circle of it and put bricks down and make a permanent fire pit right in the middle of this really nice patch of grass. So our only other option is to find a non-permanent fire pit. I have been getting a lot of Instagram ads lately for this thing called the Solostove Bonfire 2.0, which is a stainless steel portable fire pit. And as you can see on Amazon, that bad boy is $300. It does have like 2,400 5-star reviews, so that's pretty good, but $300 is no joke. My wife Haley and I are at a point in life where we could just go buy a $300 fire pit if we want one. It's not about the money, but I do enjoy working for things, and I enjoy a good challenge. So the goal today is going to be to go into the Goodwill outlet and see if we can find enough potential profit to hopefully pay for our Solostove. Morning. Good. Haley's got that bin over there. I'm gonna take it down here. Doesn't look very interesting. That looks less interesting. Imperial Army, that's the Star Wars hat. Star Wars in concert. I'll get that. Oh, look at that. Junie and Burkeville purse. It's got the tag in there. A little red, white, and blue tag. Stitching looks good. I'm gonna grab that. Cute. I couldn't find an exact sold comp for this purple purse, but looking on eBay in used condition, I'm thinking it'll probably go between $50 and $100. I know that's kind of a wide range there, but I'm trying to be fairly conservative. So let's call it 50 bucks. Look at this tigger. He's got like a huge head but a tiny body. Just like me. I think this is like an ottoman or something. It's taking up so much space. Oh, it's like a pet couch. It's got a huge blue stain on it. Let's see what's in here. Some sort of plush. The chick from Toy Story.
This is the part where we blow up! Not today!
It's pretty big. It's on a Disney baby tag.
Hey Josh!
How's it going?
So far so good. Some North Face. Women's size large. It's a USPS scale.
You got this Orbit 6-station like sprinkler alarm thing. This could be good. I don't think it's ever been used. And it's got the key for it. It's from this Noble shoe right here. It's a little dirty. It's got plenty of tread left on there. Like little reflector things coming off in the back. But this would still have value if I could find the other one. Hopefully it's in this pile somewhere. There it is. A couple little loose threads, but I think we can get these cleaned up. Not worth a ton. I think we can probably get maybe 30 bucks for them. Some love here. That's kind of nice. Franklin. It's got the trapeze lacing on there. Franklin's not a great brand, but it's pretty good. I just found this, and I think it's a Monster High microphone. It's got a Disney logo on it, but it doesn't say Monster High. So I'm gonna say Monster High microphone. Not seeing anything. This may be a good time to bring out the Google Lens app. The Google Lens just lets you take a picture of an item, and then it searches Google for it. And there we go. Junior, so this is on eBay for 20 bucks, I think. Disney Junior Vampirina recording microphone, excellent. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna go back to eBay so we can see that there are 5 currently listed, and we'll go to sold and see that there are 2 sold. And the last one sold for $5 plus shipping. So I'm not gonna get this, but that's how you use the Google Lens app.
Okay, this would be really difficult to ship, but it is Star Wars Return of the Jedi. Some kind of like gun, doesn't actually shoot. Okay, this is some kind of mystery box that Goodwill has tried to sell for $20.89. It's all like firefighter stuff, I guess. Got Power Rangers, 2007. Yeah, not much in here. Can't believe they tried to sell this for $30 or $20. We sold these before. These are like Timberland wedge boots.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if I can actually find the other one though. The lady just handed me this. Let's see if it's worth anything.
Unfortunately,
Oh,
the other one is
sad.
that thing's
Oh,
rough. Ooh,
oh well.
It's kind of sticky too.
1,200 listed. Let's see about solds. Not a good sell-through rate, but pretty decent prices. I might pick that up just because it's like an interesting colorway. It's a little different, not just like black or something. Yeah. So the lady came up and gave me yet another purse. She said it was too heavy for her. But this is a Jean-Pierre Clifa. Never heard of it. But there's one pre-owned that sold for best offer on $50 plus shipping. Yeah, I'll probably get like $40 plus shipping for this.
Another really cool plush here. It's a platypus? No, it's the thing from yeah, Fantastic Beasts. Little coin guy. It's neat. This sweater right here. It's new with tags. I don't know the brand. Buy Together collection, made in China, size large. Retail is $35. It's really nice. It's like a cable knit sweater or something. Very appropriate for fall / Halloween. So we'll get this. Probably add it to our next Whatnot auction. Maybe get 10 or 15 bucks for it. So I just found this NFL Street Green Wilson football, and I know the video game NFL Street is still really popular, so I thought maybe the football would do well as too. So I looked it up on eBay, and there's currently 5 listed for sale. All of them are pre-owned condition: 22, 28, 30, 28, 24, 27. So now let's go see if they're actually selling, because those listing prices are really good. 3 sold, so not bad. Pre-owned, 20 bucks plus shipping. Pre-owned, $35 free shipping. $25 plus shipping. Yeah, definitely a good item. Anytime you see an item, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I know that video game is good, so because it has that video game on it, it would usually make the item good. I hope that makes sense. Just found this green screen, which is bad timing because we just bought a new green screen the other day. But it's pretty cool because now I can turn the bottom of the Goodwill floor here into anything I want. Oh, nice. USPS postal scale. Fun fact, that's actually retail, and that's like 50 bucks.
Yeah.
At the post office.
My good luck streak has run out.
Remember like 2 weeks ago when you beat me at the bins? You got like $400 worth of stuff, and I got like $120 worth of stuff.
Well, well, well. How the turntables.
Another Disney something back here, a little backpack. See if it's on the actual Disney tag. It is Disney one size. I don't see any rips or holes or anything. It's obviously not like a super high quality backpack, probably something you get at the park just to hold stuff in, but it is Disney branded, so we'll grab it. Let's get another bag for the plush here. I say it in all of our videos, but just in case you guys don't know, plush at our Goodwill location here, they charge by the bag instead of by the weight. So we can fill up one of these garbage bags with as much plush like this as we want, and it's only $1. We get the rest of our plush, our Five Nights at Freddy's guy, the Disgust chick, the Platypus coin man, and I think that's it. So all 4 of those guys will only be, ooh, he's got some pit stains. I'm gonna throw in the wash machine, still be worth it. All 4 of these guys for $1.
Regular?
That's it. Yeah, so it's all regular, and then this is a bag of plush. $37.80.
Y'all have a good one, okay?
You too. Look at that.
Tesla.
Yeah, that's the Model X, I think, with the flip-up doors, and the red is actually the most
Yes.
expensive.
Yeah.
That's nice. I wonder who's
With that-
the
with the
white
white
interior. Okay, I see you, fellow Goodwill shopper. That's nice. We got to go to the post office to drop off all this stuff that sold yesterday, either on Whatnot or eBay. We're going to stop by this regular Goodwill store on the way there. We haven't been here in when? Like
It's been a really long time.
like 2 months or so.
They used to be one of the closest ones to our house, and then we moved.
Yeah. First one of the day. We got some Doc Martens right here. A little scuff. They're like silvery, metallic-y looking. The bottoms are in good shape. They're going to be $8.50. Got a couple scuffs, so I still feel like for $8.50, that's a grab. Haley got a pair of Hoka flip-flops over here. I've seen these on people's YouTube videos before, but I've never seen them in real life.
Wow.
In great shape.
Cool.
These will be, they're kind of tiny. What size are they? Women's 7. They're your size. They've even got the ugly curled bottoms. Nike ACG boots. Another $8.50. Oh my gosh. Why have we not come here more often? Nike Vapor Max. That could be good. I need to check those out and make sure they're authentic. And look up here. Another pair of Nike ACG boots. These are brown. Those look weird. Oh, they got a cut in the toe right there, so I'll pass on those. Got this t-shirt right here from the Harry Potter shop, size medium. Dobby is a free elf. Shout out Dobby. We're gonna grab that. $1.50. Probably an easy 15 bucks or so. And with that final Dobby shirt, we've officially made it to our goal of making enough money for our brand new Solo Stove. We got it in the mail today. Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0. Mose, is it good to go? New goods inspector? He's taking a long time. Okay, it has passed inspection. Don't know how I'm gonna carry all these pine cones. I didn't think about that. I think this is enough to keep us warm through winter. We got the fire going. Haley is roasting a marshmallow. As you can see, she likes them burnt.
It's falling off.
So fast forward a little bit, we've had the Solo Stove for about a week or so. We've used it, I think, 3 times now, and we really enjoy it. Now, I will say this video is not sponsored by Solo Stove. I wish it was. I wouldn't have to spend $300 on it. They could just send it to us for free. But I will say we've used it 3 times, and we've actually really enjoyed it. I've actually got it loaded up with some more pine cones to do a little fire tonight. It's got a little grate down there at the bottom. You could take your ashes and stuff out, and it's about yay big or so. I did put it on some bricks. Because you can put it on a wooden deck, but it's like, you know, do so at your own risk. So I felt like putting it up on some bricks would be a good idea. Mose has the zoomies. Although this video is not sponsored by Solo Stove, I do have an Amazon affiliate link in the description down below. So if you guys watch this video and want to try out one for yourself or get one for a gift or something like that, you can buy it through that link, and I think we end up getting like 4% of the total purchase price, which definitely adds up over time. Haley's in the kitchen making chili for dinner. She just called me and said that it was ready, so I do have to go. But I do want to say that it was a really fun challenge today. Like, if you have something in life that you want to buy and you can't really talk yourself into it because it feels like you're spending money on things you don't really need, just make a fun challenge out of it. See if you can go thrifting for a day or go to garage sales or the flea market or something. If you can find enough profit in that day of sourcing items to flip online, then treat yourself to whatever that item is that you desire. Thank you guys so much for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.